So if you want to turn rocks like this, special rocks, into gems like that, or gems like this, look at the beauty here, or like that, or turn rocks like this into beautiful crystals like that. So keep watching and let me show you what you need and how to set up for it.
So I'm going to show you how you can start a side hustle from home using opal stones for less than $500. Turning rough rocks into spectacular gemstones. Anyone can do it. It's not as expensive as you might think and not as difficult. So let's have a look at my formula, all the equipment and everything you need to do that. Let's go into this.
So the main equipment you're going to need is the Dremel. I'm using this little one with 5 speeds. It's all you need. It's a Stylo 2050 and there'll be links to all the equipment below. Most of them will be at Amazon US or Australia or both. So this comes with bits and pieces, which you can also use for wood carving, but those bits that come with the Dremel, you won't use it for opal. Apart from a rotary saw attachment, maybe to cut some stones, but really unnecessary at the beginning. And really you should have a thinner one, and you probably end up getting one later on that's better than this. So, but the Dremel itself is awesome. It's quiet, it's fast, it's all you need. Now, for the Dremel, you also need some cutting bits. So this is sintered diamond a lot from 80 grit to 600. I got that locally from Roy's Rocks, and it's a very, very good kit. $70. Not cheap, but it'll last a very, very long time. And also you need Nova small tips for polishing this stone, and 4 of them, that's another $70 as well. And you will need some polishing powder, cerium oxide, better grade, optical grade is best to give it a nice finish, and that's not expensive. So I also use a gem torch. Any torch that is got a point and it's strong will do. I'm using this fancy one, but believe me, you don't need it, but you will save a lot of money having this torch, and it also will give you confidence on cutting and dremeling the stones, because you can see the light going through the gem, you can see where the clean crystal is, where the porch is, or sand. And believe me, this will save you a lot of money, and I couldn't do without one. So, you can get a torch for $20. This is a fancy one, so it's 70 Australian dollars or thereabouts. So we are at the moment at, $250. Then you need probably a scale. So just for, weighing what you create. And when you're selling the stones, the gems you make, you want to tell the customer the weight. You want to tell the size. So you need little bits and pieces, very, very cheap. You need a ruler, which you probably already have. Also a penman and marker, just for a few dollars to draw a shape on the opal that you're dremeling to, and a caliper to tell the thickness and the exact size. Might need also a stencil for making the shapes, and this you don't really need, but it's good if you're selling to tell the customer. This tells the body tone scale, so how dark or light the opal is, and also how bright. Not necessary, but I recommend you get one. And last but not least, the light that let you see everything in detail. It's a light with a magnifying glass, so you can put the stone to it and see more detail. And you're gonna need that. And I'm gonna find one on Amazon and put a link below as well. And then after that, you'll be left with $200+ to buy some rough opal. Now, I urge you to buy small stones. I will do a video about how to buy rough opal and how to avoid the mistakes I made. And hopefully that will help you buy right. But you can buy decent amount of opals for $250. Small stones with some color so you can see them clearly all around, like these ones. And yeah, not all those for 200, but few of those will be enough to turn you a profit and you have some more fun. And now, what do you do with it when you get it? Well, just a quick demonstration. Yeah, that's a nice one. Quick demonstration here. So they come with the sand and inclusions and all sorts of things, and you can use your Dremel like this, and you just, with patience, clean it up. Now, we more experienced or more commercial opal cutters use cab machines and thousands of dollars of equipment. Now, you get the same result. It just takes a little bit more patience and a little bit longer with this equipment I just showed you. You can see this was full, like the other side, of sand and you couldn't see the color. Look at that. Now we got this color out, and there's a $200-300 stone in that. Now all these opals you see on this video came out from lots that were $200 or less, and they made 2 or 3 little gems like this, which gives you a very, very good profit. So you can do it. You can have a hobby which is profitable for and you don't need much room in your house. All this equipment, everything I've shown you, all you need with a very little room. And all this you see here are making me a good profit. They came from those kind of puzzles, and look at that. I mean, we're looking at a very nice color, and they're not finished yet. They need to be still shaped and polished. But look, beautiful little stones to go in the jewelry pieces. Now you can, that's a shell that was full of sand, and I've dremeled it with that Dremel and cleaned it all up, made a beautiful crystal shell. And yeah, this one you saw before, which I've just cleaned up. There's a little crystal that was also like the one like you just saw. So you can see it is very, very possible with $500 or less. You can also take it to another level and get preset jewelry pieces like this one here. Let me grab it. Yeah. This ring, sterling silver, cost me $55, and I'm working to fit. This is a boulder opal piece in there, and the total cost of that is about $90. And by the time it's finished, it's going to be double or more the price. And I'm not a jeweler. I'm just playing around and showing you what's possible. And I hope I inspire you with the possibilities of opal and starting an awesome hobby and a side hustle from home. And how to cut and polish a perfect stone? Well, that's a lot of practice and watching a lot of YouTube videos. There is plenty of educational videos out there. Now, if you like this video, please click a like button. Subscribe to my channel if you like to join our community and be notified of other helpful videos. Please let me know in the comments if you're thinking of starting an Opal side hustle, and if this was helpful, or any questions that you have, and if I can help, I will. And I'll see you on the next video, which won't be far away. Thank you.